Hi, all. This is July 12th, the day before CPI inflation data is released tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And we see here at the website that I've gone to that it'll be released here at this page. And previous news releases has shown that CPI for the months leading from November of last year, 2020, to May 2021 has been steadily increasing to 0.8%. And then dropping down to 0.6 on a month-to-month basis. This is really what I'm looking for. I've looked into the Wall Street estimates. They're about 0.5 percentage increase month on month from May. And the estimates for the unadjusted seasonal for 12 month trailing would be 4.9%. Now, if we see it go below 0.5 for the month-on-month, we'll probably have more stronger buying on a mega cap tech. If it's really low below 0.4, say like 0.35 or 0.3, you could see quite strong bullish buying of smaller and mid-cap, more speculative growth tech names. You could see like Snowflake up, you could see, and some of the other high multiple valuation stocks start to rally. I don't know we're going to get that kind of a figure. I would be expecting more of a around 0.5. It's not guaranteed. It could be higher. But if it is higher, that might lead to some stronger selling pressure on some of the speculative tech names. Obviously, that would lead to more buying of the value trade. Maybe not as much financials. You might have run because it's kind of there's a lot of them are reporting their quarterly reports this week. But if you do see a rise above the 0.5 Wall Street expected number, we could potentially see other value stocks get bought up. I personally don't think that's going to be a probability. We've been seeing, like as you see here, a fall on the seasonally adjusted from 0.8 to 0.6. I could see it go down as low as 0.4, but the Wall Street's expecting 0.5. It's probably going to be 0.5, but not guaranteed. We have supply chain restrictions. They've been well talked about in the media, but something that's not been recently talked about that may start to creep up maybe in this month or next month could be the fact that, hey, Delta virus is closing things down in China, and that could harm, supply chains, including ports, that doesn't allow for certain supplies to arise. And with the growth that we're having in the economy here, some people are expecting 10% nominal GDP growth this year. With that kind of growth, you could see it getting escalated into prices instead of the outputs getting to consumers. So there is a chance that it could bump back up. We never know. But again, I think it's looking to be more like 0.5. And that would be obviously good for mid-cap growth tech, junior growth tech, Twilio as a good example, Unity, obviously Square, PayPal, some of those fintech companies. So that's what I'm expecting for tomorrow. But look out, some of the, if it does pop up higher than 0.5, especially significantly higher, if it's like 0.8, 0.9, that could affect the growth trade. But otherwise, you shouldn't expect much for value. As we've been seeing, value trade has been that's been rotating into tech as a consequence of this figure. This figure rotating down from the extremely high monthly figure in April, signaling transitory inflation figures, and so inflation is not going to be there. we'll see. Good luck with trading tomorrow. I'm going to post an update after 7:30. We should see what the actual figures are for the June 2021 inflation data month on month, as well as the unadjusted seasonal one. But headline and media is going to be they're going to focus on this unadjusted or seasonally adjusted 12-month change. But really, all the hedgies and all the investors, traders, less so traders, probably investors and hedge funds are going to be really looking at for the trend from here. What's the next number coming? Is that 0.5 or is it lower or is it higher, and how much? So good luck again. I will publish something soon after it comes out, 8:30 Eastern. And yeah, if you like this, please share with other investors, traders, and people you think that could be helped by this information. Like, subscribe, and join me for the next video.